Are you learning Spanish, French, or English? Do you enjoy listening to live music, learning how to cook delicious recipes, taking virtual trips, and playing fun games? Then you are invited to our next exclusive event, where you can practice speaking your target language all while having fun. They're also free. What's not to love? Did you know that our events are backed by language learning science? In order to truly acquire a new language, it's critical to practice it in relevant contexts. Come practice your conversational skills in your target language. You'll build vocabulary and deepen your overall understanding in a relaxed yet dynamic setting. We've designed our events so that all levels of learners feel welcome. Plus, whether you're more introverted or extroverted, you will feel at ease and learn something new. While no one is put on the spot, there will be plenty of opportunities to engage. Our professionally trained instructors guide you through these events, answering questions, adding words and phrases for clarification when needed, and facilitating in a way that's both fun and meaningful. Virtual does not mean isolated. We'd love to connect with you and practice relevant language through these lively, culturally rich events. Create a free account to join our community of learners and connect with us at the next event. See you there!